Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to request a refund for an accidental Prime purchase. So if you want to request a refund for an accidental Amazon Prime membership purchase, you could either use Amazon Prime app itself or you could go with the Amazon app. So first of all, I'm just going to use the Amazon app. So open the app. There you want to go to the profile at the bottom left corner of the screen. So from the top at the top you could find these tabs. You select that out, accounts. There you go. You want to scroll down a bit. You will be able to find membership and subscription at the very bottom tab. You press open that up and scroll towards your left, and there you find Amazon Prime Video. Here, what you want to do is you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for manage Prime membership, and there this is where you will be able to see your membership and all that. All right, so once you tap open that up, you will be able to see this cancel or end membership option as well. And Amazon usually process these refund within 3 to 5 business days once the cancellation is completed or confirmed. And if you're not able to cope up or follow with the steps, then there's the easy way you could do it. Open any browser that you have on your device, and on the search bar or on the web address bar, you want to type in request refund for Amazon Prime accidental, and you will be able to get in touch with the customer care as well. Or you could just go ahead and type in contact Amazon, and you will be able to find help and support. You just want to tap open that up and list out your issues. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.